Ka parti Kongres mentakas ngi kala pli ya ka jing penrung Kyrteng ya ki Samla kane ka jela syaka Indian Youth Congress ha kane ka jela Meghalaya. Ya kane ka jingelang la penlong ha Kongres Bhavan Shillong ha ka bau Presiden ka MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala ulaya don lang. Ha bakren ha kilat pathai khubor uba pala ulaong ba watla ya kane ka jingpli ban penrung Kyrteng kala le mentakas ngi Henry ka jing penrung Kyrteng kan sedang ha ka laipau tarik naiwing arjar arpuai ka jing tap Kyrteng na ka bentak itu ki bakwa ban yakon ya ka election nongkit kam hapo ka IYC pat kan long nadu ka khat ar tarik naiwing hadu ka khat ar tarik unok pra arjar arpuai uba pala ulaong ban nakadaw jong ka covid khat khandai ka parti Kongres kam syam lala ban penlong ya ka jing yaki ha ka baya day bat kane ka jing kiu dor jong ka petrol bat ka diesel Henry ka parti kan sa penlong ya ka jing yaki halor kane ka jing kiu dor uba pala Dkhot lawer ya baro ki Khun Samla jong ka jela Meghalaya bakin penyaso bat ka IYC ha kane ka jela Meghalaya ban tre na ka benta ka jela bat ka don ka jing kermen ba palat lak ki Samla kane ka jela kin penyaso bat ka IYC Secretary in charge of Meghalaya ka Safira Rehman kalaong ba kino ki breu ki badan hapdeng karta khat pra hadu life sans nem kila ban penyaso bat ka IYC bat ka jing penrung Kyrteng sya ka IYC kan long leng ba ka app jong ka IYC.
We'll see where they are launching the membership drive for the Indian Youth Congress. So the rest of the briefing will be done by them. My job only to welcome you, and I'm very sorry for the space which we have here because our office is under renovation. So we have here Sarifa Raman, she is the secretary in charge of Meghalaya, and we have Pramodji Kumar, who is the PRO of Indian Youth Congress, Vincent from Delhi, and we have Fernandez, he is a secretary here, who is in the Youth Congress, and also we have Nehimaya, who is also the vice president of PYC. So the rest of the briefing will be done by you and him. So I will hand over the mic to
of Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress here. This membership is basically to enroll the youth of the state in Congress party. There are certain norms, certain rules which we'll be describing in details. Anybody who is under 35 and willing to be a part of the Indian Youth Congress or Indian National Congress can enroll him or herself in the organization. This entire process will happen through an app. We name it as IYC app, which you can go through the Play Store. You can download it from the Play Store, and the entire process is there, which anyone can fill it up and become a member. In detail, the process my colleague Mr. Pramodji will be explaining to you. The basic thing I want to tell you is earlier it was per person. We used to take the membership fees was different. Now per person, anybody enrolling here, it will be 50 rupees followed by 10 other members. That means the membership of 10 members is equal to 50 rupees. This 50 rupees will be taking for active members, one active member followed by 10 other primary members, and this active member will have the voting rights. The primary member doesn't have the voting rights. This is the basic difference we are having. So it's my request to each and every youth of this entire Meghalaya to join us, to be a member of Youth Congress and help join our hands to lead the state towards the future. This is what I had to say. Thank you so much.